The United States and Israel possess some of the most advanced military technology in the world. If a major conflict with Iran ever escalated, they could deploy stealth aircraft, long-range bombers, cruise missiles, drones, and powerful naval forces. In this video, we'll break down the key weapons and systems the US and its allies could use in a potential strike against Iran. The first one is F-22 Raptor USA Stealth Fighter. Type: 5th generation stealth air superiority fighter country, United States. Key specs: max speed, Mach 2.25, approximately 2,410 kilometers per hour. Combat radius, approximately 850 kilometers. Crew, 1 pilot. Stealth technology, very low radar signature. Weapons: AIM-120, AMRAAM air-to-air missiles. AIM-9, Sidewinder. JDAM precision bombs, 20mm M61 cannon. Why it matters? F-22. Raptors are designed to control the sky. In a conflict scenario, they would likely destroy enemy fighter jets, eliminate air defenses, protect bombers, and strike aircraft. B-52 Stratofortress strategic bomber. Type: long-range strategic bomber. Country: United States. Key specs: max speed, approximately 1,046 kilometers per hour. Range: approximately 14,000 kilometers. Crew: 5 payload capacity, up to 31,500 kilograms of weapons. Weapons it can carry: JDAM precision bombs, AGM-86 cruise missiles, AGM-158, JASSM, stealth missiles, nuclear-capable weapons. Why it matters? The B-52 is designed for long-range strike missions. In a conflict scenario, it could launch cruise missiles from hundreds of kilometers away, strike military bases, missile sites, and infrastructure, support large-scale air campaigns. Aircraft carrier: USS Gerald R. Ford/Nimitz. Class type: nuclear-powered aircraft carrier country, United States Navy. Key specs: length, approximately 333 meters. Crew, approximately 5,000 personnel. Aircraft capacity, 70 to 90 aircraft power, 2 nuclear reactors. Speed, 30+ knots, approximately 56 kilometers per hour. Aircraft it carries: F/A-18 Super Hornet, F-35C Lightning II EA-18, G Growler electronic warfare, E-2D Hawkeye radar aircraft, MH-60 Seahawk helicopters. Why it matters? Aircraft carriers act as floating air bases. In a conflict scenario, they can launch continuous airstrikes, deploy fighter jets, drones, and helicopters, control large areas of the ocean and airspace. A carrier strike group usually includes destroyers, cruisers, submarines, supply ships, making it one of the most powerful naval forces in the world. MQ-9 Reaper combat drone. Why it matters? MQ-9 Reaper drones are designed for long surveillance and precision strikes. In a conflict scenario, they can track enemy forces for hours, strike targets with high-precision missiles, support ground and air operations. Because they can stay airborne for over a full day, they are often used for persistent surveillance missions. Why it matters? HIMARS is designed for precision long-range strikes. In a conflict scenario, it can destroy enemy bases and missile launchers, strike air defense systems, hit targets hundreds of kilometers away. Because the system is highly mobile, it can fire rockets and move quickly before being targeted.
Why it matters? Nuclear submarines are among the stealthiest weapons in modern warfare. In a conflict scenario, they can launch Tomahawk missile strikes from hundreds of kilometers away, track enemy ships and submarines, operate underwater for months without surfacing. Because they are extremely hard to detect, they often carry out the first strikes in major military operations.
Those were some of the most powerful weapons and military systems the United States and its allies could deploy in a potential conflict scenario involving Iran. From stealth fighters and long-range bombers to drones, missile systems, and nuclear submarines, Modern warfare relies on highly advanced technology. If you enjoy military analysis, weapon breakdowns, and global defense comparisons, subscribe to War Machine Files for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.